more talent per capita than most cities. With so many artists, musicians, dancers, and actors, there's an arts and culture treat for everyone. I'm Jody. Join me as I celebrate the Winnipeg arts and culture scene on my blog. So come on, let's check out the show.